Slippery Sid's been rigging up classic cars, waiting for them to break down, and then stealing them back from underneath their owners' noses. You are the Clown Town Crime Watch, ladies and gentlemen. I need your help. I need your help to catch a criminal. Will you help me catch a criminal? I said, will you help me catch a criminal? If you see Slippery Sid, evil, mean, wicked and nasty criminal, we need you to boo. Practice boo. This is the bit where you get all your tension out, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine the kids are still at home and they haven't gone back to school. Kids, imagine it's your headmaster you're booing, all right? Here we go. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm going to catch me a criminal. And of course, for myself, undercover policeman Dingle Fingle, all I need is a simple round of applause. Thank you. Oh, that's it, folks. Give him a clap, give him a cheer. Never fear, because Dingle Fingle's here. Here he is, folks, cash in hand, bravely going where no other fool would go. Out to cash, Slippery Sid, the classic harpy. Dingle is carrying a case of huge Clown Town banknotes for which he completed set his trap for Sid. This time, with your help, he won't be so lucky. Help Dingle Fingle catch him once and for all. Rise, Beals, boys and girls. Look out, boys and girls. Here he comes. Hide your sweets. Here's the thief now. It's Slippery Sid. Boys and girls, you are the Clown Town Crime Watch. We need your help. Dingle Fingle needs your help capturing Slippery Sid. Will you help us, boys and girls? I said, will you help us, boys and girls? Ah, terrific. When you see Sid, we need you to boo. Hopefully this will distract him to give Dingle Fingle a chance to capture the criminal safely. You see, Sid is not your ordinary Arthur Daly type of criminal. He's evil, cunning, devious and absolutely determined to steal his car back. He's been selling expensive classic cars over and over again, waiting for them to break down and then stealing them back from underneath their owners' noses. In this case, the long nose of the law, supplied by Detective Dingle Fingle, our undercover copper. Once the briefcase full of money is exchanged hands, the keys to the 1920s Aston Martin will be trapped and reset. All Dingle Fingle will have to do is control that crazy car that Sid has cleverly rigged up and lie in wait until Sid returns to steal it back again. Simple! And so is our intrepid hero. Don't forget, boys and girls, mums and dads, you are the Clown Town Crime Watch. Dingle Fingle needs your help. When you see Slippery Sid, boo! Cheer this. Blow raspberries, but be warned. He's the master of disguises and must be caught. This time with your help, he won't be so lucky. Help Dingle Fingle catch him once and for all. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the Clown Town Crime Watch. Dingle needs your help. Looks like you've lost the door. Come on, Dingle. Try and get that car back on the door. That was a close shave. Think of something else. Oh no. Have you got any other bright ideas? Inside. That's a good one. Come on, Dingle. I'm sure you can think of something. Showing a bit of leg. Never. Get the crazy car under control. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like our intrepid hero has his car under control. Give him a wave, give him a big cheer. Go out on applause. Dingle, Fingle has the car and Slippery Sid has the cash. After completing the sale of the century, this is what you call a real steal. Sid gives allies to Eskimos, sand for the Sahara, gold for Newcastle. Your parents warned you about wicked and nasty and nasty claws. So far he's been lucky, keeping clear of them all, while Brendan drives his classic car. Has anybody seen Sid yet, folks? He must be out there somewhere. What a great job Dingle Fingle is doing out there. Just look at him. What a marvellous display of motoring madness. I think he's on the road to recovery and the capture of Slippery Sid. Ladies and gentlemen, what about showing our appreciation for our intrepid hero? That's it, folks. Give him a clap, give him a cheer, give him a wave for all his pathetic efforts. There he is, folks, out there in the front of the Crime Stoppers, not once taking his eye off this precious motor for one moment, and at the same time, keeping an eye out or two for Slippery Sid. From underneath our very noses, heavily disguised as a fire chief, Slippery Sid is back to steal the car. I warned you!
it up, folks. I think he's on the case. I think he nearly wraps it up once and for all. Stick with him though. Anything can happen.
Mantown Crime Watch.
Thank you very much.
It's time for us to say goodbye.